Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amazon account access for Kindle on Windows step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your Windows computer. Navigate to the Amazon website by typing www.amazon.com into the address bar. Click on the Account and Lists option located in the top right corner. Select Sign In from the drop-down menu. Enter your Amazon account email and password. Click the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, move your cursor to the Account and Lists option again. This time, select your content and devices from the drop-down menu. In the Your Devices tab, locate the Kindle device you wish to authorize. If your Kindle is not listed, make sure it's connected to the internet and registered to your Amazon account. To check the registration status on your Kindle, press the Home button. Navigate to Settings by tapping the menu icon. In the Settings menu, select Registration. If it shows as not registered, follow the on-screen instructions to register your device. For authorized devices, return to your computer. Under Your Content and Devices, click on the Devices tab. Find the Kindle device you want to manage. Click on the Actions button next to that device. Select Manage Your Content and Devices. Locate the Deregister option and select it if you want to remove authorization. If prompted, confirm your choice. To reauthorize, go back to your Kindle. From the Settings menu, select Registration and then Register. Enter your Amazon account information as prompted. Once successfully registered, your Kindle will be authorized on your Amazon account. Now, your Kindle can access your Amazon content without issues. You are all set to start reading your books and documents on your Kindle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.